Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make fireworks. And I know I had said in the other video that I was going to show you how to make a tiny house, but that is still in the work in progress. So, yep. And all you need for this video is redstone, dispenser, and a redstone carbonator, and some arrows or magnet things. Okay, so I will be starting my YouTube videos in this world, and I will start to build a house and all that, and I will start my YouTube videos in there. So yeah, I'm just this world. I'm just find a place to build my house. Okay, so let's get on with the video. Put a redstone operator down. Wait, hold on. You need a Wait, I forgot. Yeah, you need a lever. Wait, hold on. You need a lever also. Put a redstone operator down and put it like this and that. Put it in that kind of order. And put the lever right there. And yeah, do that. And then you just do this. Okay, and then you put a dispenser like that. And this is the part where you can fill the arrows and things. You can fill it up with this. Now, I didn't actually made this up. I got this from Bugs the Pirate. I'll see if I can leave his. I'll see if I can leave his if I can leave it in the description because I'm new at this. I'm a new YouTuber, so I don't really know how to put things in the description. So I'm gonna see if I could. If I can't, I'm sorry. I only need one more color, so let's get this one. I don't think I got this. And it's just like that. Very cool. And it will kind of get very laggy, so just a little mishaps. Oh, now it's very laggy. Well, I think it's finishing. It's there. Oh, it's too laggy now. I'm gonna break it. Wait, that's done. It's over. Oh, well, that's how you make fireworks. I wouldn't recommend you putting like that much in there because it's very laggy. As you can see. Well, uh, I'm gonna see. I'm trying to go over here. Oh, this is very laggy. But as you can see, it actually does works. Um, it's very easy to make some. It's very easy, so you won't have that kind of trouble making it. Oh, there you go. No, it actually does look pretty cool. I actually like it. Oh, it's stuck in there. So that's how you make fireworks in Minecraft. There is a fireworks add-on, but I never tested that. I never seen that add-on because my version wasn't correct to get it because I have a current Minecraft population. Like I get my add-ons from a lot of apps, so I just couldn't find an app with like compatible with my Minecraft Pocket Edition version. So yeah, that's why I couldn't do an add-on. But I like this one also. This one is very cool, and so well, it seems like much of a mess to clean up. So well, I hope y'all have a good day. I haven't that much, but have a good one. Peace.